Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make digital journal on Android. To do this, you can use these applications. First, Day 1 app. Pros, beautiful interface, rich text editing, ability to add photos, videos, audio recordings, location, weather, and more. Cons, premium features require a subscription. Second, Journey Cloud. Pros, supports rich text, photos, videos, audio, location, and weather. It offers various coach templates for guided journaling. Cons, some advanced features might be behind a subscription. Third, Penzu app. Pros, double password protection, military grade encryption, customizable covers, backgrounds, and fonts. It offers reminders as well. Cons, free version has limited features, more advanced options are paid. Fourth, Grid Diary. Pros, it uses a grid format with recurring questions for daily reflection. It is good for building a consistent journaling habit. Cons, free version has limitations.